In this Canva tutorial, let's take a look at how to edit multiple colors within one graphic. So for instance, you may have elements out here on your page that have color information embedded into them that are easy to change. Some elements, like these candy canes or these lights over here, are just images that do not contain any way to change the color. But for instance, this piece right here, what is this, mistletoe or something, actually has color information here that you can change. So we could change the red to maybe something like this purple instead of being red. And we could do the same thing with this guy over here. Take that red color, select it, go to this purpley magenta. Then same thing with this Christmas tree. You can see that it has two different colors that we can edit, red and yellow. So I could take that red and maybe make it that same purple color and just kind of change up the design here. Now, not every element, like I said, includes the ability to change the colors. Some elements are more image-based. Some elements just don't have that attribute that you're able to change. So depending on what you pull from your graphics, for instance, we could go to See All and maybe click on one of these and bring this guy out. And we could see, yes, this one does have the ability to change between the colors here. Sometimes, though, you'll find graphics that are more image-based that you aren't able to actually change those colors. So there could be more photo-based type of graphics. Let's see here. If we look for Christmas, and then we pull up something that is, these are all photos. So if we go back out actually and just search elements for Christmas, we're going to find in See All under graphics, some of these are able to change colors, some of them are not. So for instance, this Santa here, if we bring him in, he's probably got too much going on here and doesn't have all the different color changes here that you can use. So some graphics do and some graphics don't. But you'll just have to kind of see. Usually the more simpler graphics, you'll find that you're able to change the colors on, as opposed to some of the more complex ones that include many different colors in the design. So usually if it's got 4 or less colors in it, you can probably make some edits to it. But that's how you can change the colors of graphics here in Canva.